That's how it be, though. Gotta take summer shoots in the winter.
Oh, yeah. Sorry. Oh, that bump.
So you're covering her bumps with the foundation?
Yeah.
And my scar.
Well, it's not foundation. It's called concealer.
Oh.
Conceals.
Don't conceal my mole. That's a trademark.
That's that beauty mark.
Conceal that, because, ooh.
You should just get those Biore pads. Knock it right out. I used to love doing that, even when I didn't have it. You just like to see it.
Right.
Feel like you did something.
Fix this. Oh, it's going to be a lot of booty out. I thought this was going to be longer.
Yeah, yeah.